everyone, this is Hailey from MAXIZM. Today we're at the warehouse getting ready to ship the mini excavator to our customers. Let's get a quick look. This is the SUNWARD SWE35UF. It weighs 3.85 tons. And uses a powerful original KUBOTA engine with 23.4 kilowatts. It's compact and perfect for tight spaces like urban jobs or land escaping. It comes with standard brake lines and other extra lines for quick hitch and other tools. You can easily switch between bucket, breaker, or other attachments. The cab is safe and comfortable, with air conditioner, a suspension seat, and a touchscreen display. It is designed to keep the operator comfortable and protected. Maintenance is simple too. The side opens wide and all service points are easy to reach. If you need high-quality machine like this, contact MAXIZM. We'll give you the best support and price. Thank you for watching. See you next time.